Good morning, children. I am KSN sir, working as mathematics teacher in Dr. Besant School. In previous class, we have discussed revision schedule. Now onwards, again we have to discuss syllabus only. All of you open. What is our topic today? Fractions. Topic name: fractions. Exercise 2.2. Exercise 2.2. Find the product in the simplest form. Find the product in the simplest form. Okay. Find the product in the simplest form. Children, just wait. Find the product in its simplest form. The first A, 3 into 7 by 54. Solution. Observe here, 3 into 7 by 54 means 3 means 3 by 1 into 7 by 54. Okay. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 2 left, 3 8s are 24. So 3 18s are 54. Okay. So 7 by 18 is the final solution. Next, B. 2 into 5 by 9. 2 into 5 by 9. 2 into 5 by 9 means 2 means 2 by 1 into 5 by 9. Can we simplify? So there is no common factors for 2 and 9. That's why 2 5s are 10, 1 9s are 9. Okay. Next, C. 16 by 3 into 9 by 4. 16 by 3 into 9 by 4. Now observe, 16 by 3 into 9 by 4. 3 1s are 3 3s are 4 1s are 4 4s are. So finally 4 3s are 12, 1 1s are 1, 12 by 1 means 12 only. Okay. Like this you can solve D, E, F also. Okay. Now I will tell you the second Roman. Second, find A 1 by 2 of 34. 1 by 2 of 34. So solution 1 by 2 of means into product 34. 2 1s are 2 17s are, so 1 17s are 17 is the answer. Okay children, I hope it's very clear. Note down children. Next to Second Roman, find 1 by 2 into 34. The same like B also 2 by 3 of 36. This problem also you can do it easily. So 2 by 3 of 36 means 2 by 3 into 36. Of means what? Into, no? So 2 by 3 of 36, no? So 2 by 3 of 36 means 2 by 3 into 36. Simply we can solve. Next third one, see 3 by 5 of 30, no? So that means 3 by 5 of means into 30. 5 6 are 30, 6 3 are 18. So like this we can solve it. And I will explain that also. Please wait. Children, this is 7 CBSE. Please observe. Up to now, this is 6 CBSE written, 6 CBSE not, 7 CBSE. Please observe what I changed the modification. Okay. Second Roman, B 2 by 3 of 36. Of 36. 2 by 3 of means what? Into 36. That is equal to 3 12s are, okay. So 12 2s are 24. C 3 by 5 of 30. Wow, 30. So 3 by 5 of means into 30. 5 6 are 30, 3 6 are 18. Okay. Next, D 4 by 7 of 13 by 16. Okay. So 4 by 7 of means into 13 by 16. 4 1 ja, 4 4 ja. So 1 13 ja 13, 7 4 ja 28. So this is the solution. Children, note down. Next, multiply the following. Third Roman. Multiply the following. Multiply the following. Okay. So first A 4 and 3 by 4 into 7. 4 and 3 by 4 into 7. Children, just wait, please. Only 1 second. Children, just wait. Try to solve this one. Okay. Now, in 4 4s are 16 plus 3 by 4, okay, into 7. Why? Because it is a mixed fraction, we have to convert, okay, into improper fraction. So 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3, 16 plus 3 by 4 into 7. Now 16 plus 3, 19 by 4 into 7, okay. So 2.2, just wait, once I am checking the question also. This is third Roman, okay. Now 7 9 63, 6, 7 1 just 7, 7 plus 6, 133 by 4, okay. 133 by 4 means 4 3s are 12, 1 3, 4 3s are 12, 1, 33 and 1 by 4. So that is equal to 33 into 1 by 4. And this is the final solution. Okay children, note down the second one. Next B, 2n 1 by 3 into 5. Observe here, this is mixed fraction, we have to convert into improper fraction. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 by denominator 3 only. So this one into 5. Now 2 3 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. 2 3 is 6 plus 1 by 3 into 5. 6 plus 1, 7 by 3, 7 by 3 into 5. 7 5 is 35 by 3. So 35 by 3 means 3 11 is 33. So 11 and 2 by 3. So that is equal to 11 and 2 by 3. Okay children, I hope it's very clear. Okay, note down children. Next, see, observe here, part C, 10 into 2 and 2 by 9. 10 into 2 and 2 by 9. So 10 into, now you can understand 2 9s are, directly we can do it. 2 problems indirectly I said. 9 2s are 18 plus 2 20. Directly we can do it. Okay, that means why? Because 2 into 2 by 9 means 2 into 2 by 9, that is equal to 2 into 9 plus 2 by 9. 2 9 is 18 plus 2 by 9 20 by 9. Okay children. Next to 10 20s are 200 by 9. So 200 by 9 means 9 2s are 18 to 9 2s are 18 to 22 into 2 by 9. 22 into 2 by 9. Okay children. I hope it's very clear. Note down. Next, D 1 by 3 into 2n 2 by 5. So solution 1 by 3 into 2n 2 by 5, 2 into 2n 2 by 5, sorry, 2n 2 by 5. So mixed fraction we have to convert into improper fraction. 2 5s are 10 plus 2 by 5. 2 5s are 10 plus 2 by 5, that is equal to 12 by 5. So 12 by 5. Okay. Now that is equal 3 1s are 3 4s are, so finally we got it 4 by 5. So simplification 3 1s are 3 4s are, so finally we got 4 by 5. Okay children, I hope it's very clear. Note down. Next, see fourth Roman, the length and breadth of a rectangular field are 4 and 1 by 5 meter and 1 and 3 by 7 meter. Children, so this is a rectangle. Length is equal to 4 and 1 by 5 meter. Breadth is equal to 1 and 3 by 7. Okay, so length of a rectangle, length of a rectangular field, L is equal to 4 5s are 20 plus 1, 21 by 5 meter. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 5. Next, breadth. Breadth of a rectangular field B is equal to 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 3, 10 by 7. So area. Now what is the area of the rectangular field? A is equal to length into breadth. So area is equal to, what is length? 21 by 5. What is breadth? 10 by 7. 21 by 5. 10 by 7. So simply 5 2s are 10, 7 3s are 21. So 3 2s are 6. Here meter, this is also in meter, so that's why square meter or meter square. So area of the rectangular field is equal to 6 meter square. Okay children, this is the fourth one solution. Note down. So finally conclusion, area of the rectangular field is equal to 6 square meter, meter into meter, square meter. So what is today's homework? So exercise 2.2, homework, exercise 2.2. In this problem, exercise 2.2, first Roman, second Roman, third Roman, first, second, 3, and this sums we have to do practice. I hope it's very clear. Thank you for listening. Thank you everybody. Children, concentrately you have to listen this video and concentrately practice all these sums. Okay? Thank you for listening. Thank you everybody.